Some people think that you should always come up with everything on your own and that copying and pasting is just lazy. I don't think so. After watching this video, you will have access to thousands of powerful prompts that can change your life. For the new ones here, prompts, also called prompt engineering, are essentially the way you speak with your AI software like Chatgpt. Every single sentence can be a prompt, even a really simple one like, "What should I buy my girlfriend for her birthday?" So why will it change your life by using prompting communities? Because prompting communities come up with new prompts every few minutes and post them on their websites so that you can use them really comfortably to solve your everyday problems. No more talking. I know you are impatient and you really want to hear about the top 3 communities now. So here we go. Our number 3 is Datafit. The link is in the description. Simply search for the category you want to find a prompt for on the left side. Access the prompt, for example, a prompt on how to write a good email, and then you simply copy and paste it into ChatGPT. Have you seen already my video about the 5 best prompts? Yes? Then you might already know our number 2. The community is called Prompt Vibes. There are plenty of categories to explore. I really like the prompt I showed in my last video. It's a prompt called Mr. Fix-It, which can help you repair pretty much anything, from your clogged toilet to your car. And again, simply copy and paste it into ChatGPT and that's all you need to do. But what if there is a community where you don't even need to copy and paste? Well, stay tuned for our number 1 winner. But first, let me tell you that my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Right now, I only do these videos as a hobby and to show you cool tools. I haven't earned anything with it until now. So if you want to support this channel, simply subscribe and leave a comment under the video. Back to the fun part. Our number 1 winner is FlowGPT. This community has a really cool and easy to use user interface. Like before, browse the categories you want to use. In my case, I tried out the Career Advisor. A new window pops up where you can see the prompt, but that is not all. You can see an example of it, and the best part is that you can try it directly out in ChatGPT since it is directly integrated into the interface. So I guess it is not really surprising that this one is our winner. And that is it with my video. If you liked it, subscribe to my channel. I try to post every 3 days a new video about cool AI tools. See you in the next video.